I have never ever done this before. I don't know how it's gonna go, but we're gonna do it together. If it all goes wrong, you can learn from my mistakes, but hopefully it'll turn out really nicely. The recipe does look really simple. It has minimal ingredients in, so I feel like that's a good sign. Today I am going to be doing something a little bit different. I have never ever done this before. I'm going to be making my own ice cream. We are swapping our store-bought high sugar ice cream for homemade, nutrient-dense, lower sugar ice cream. And the way that we're going to be doing that is by adding dates. Now, every recipe I've made so far using dates has gone really well, so I do have high hopes, so long as I don't mess up the making the ice cream part. Anyway, without any more talking from me, let's get on and make some ice cream. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is add 300 grams of dates into my food processor. Put all those in there. And then next up is 300 milliliters of whole milk. Now we are going to blend it together. I had a blender problem, which I won't bore you about, but I am going to use this one now to finish getting the dates all blended in with the milk. Okay, we got there in the end. This is the dates and the milk all blended together. So now I will carry on with the rest of the recipe and hopefully I'll have no more disasters. So the next thing I need to do is separate 5 egg yolks out from these eggs. So I've got 2 bowls here. I'll put the whites in one bowl and the yolks in the other. There you go, so that's my 5 egg yolks. I did lose a little bit in there, but that's okay. These things happen, and I'll probably use these egg whites for a different recipe. Might make some meringues or something else with them. Now I'm gonna add my date mixture. Look how amazing that looks. I've just tasted some as well, and it's totally delicious. The ice cream is definitely gonna have enough sweetness in it. Next up, I am adding some vanilla. You could use vanilla beans, or I've just got some vanilla extract. And then finally, I'm adding 1.5 cups of heavy cream. This is the thickest cream I could find, which I think is going to help make the ice cream really nice and thick and creamy. I have just given it a little taste test. It tastes really good. It's super sweet. Both me and my children have a serious sweet tooth, and the fact that all of that sweetness has just come from the dates with absolutely no added sugar is amazing. So now all I need to do is put it in the freezer, and I think I'm going to leave it overnight just so that it's got the maximum time to get nice and frozen, and hopefully it'll be delicious ice cream this time tomorrow. I may or may not have come back to eat more of this mixture. It literally is so tasty. I am really excited for how the ice cream is going to turn out. I have high hopes that the kids are going to love it, but I will check back in tomorrow and let you know how it turns out. Dates are great for so many reasons. They are really highly packed nutrient-wise. They're great for your gut, they're great for your brain. So if I can get my kids eating these in the form of ice cream, I will be a very happy mum. So it is now the next day. It has been so gloriously sunny today. We've been out in the sunshine all afternoon. The kids are just having their dinner. I am going to get the ice cream out of the freezer, prepare some toppings, and then it'll be time for the all-important taste test. I have put some honey on top, some coconut and some nuts, and I'm really excited to try it. I'm going to serve up the kids now. Go on then, Annie, you can try. It is vanilla. You like that? How many stars out of 5? How many stars do you give the ice cream?
110.
110, Darcy. 4? 5? 5 stars out of 5. I'm very happy with that. We have empty bowls. Safe to say they absolutely loved it. I will definitely be making this again. I can't believe like how sweet and creamy and rich and wonderful it was. 10 out of 10. Very impressed. I can't believe I made ice cream. Thank you so much for watching this episode of More Delightful with Dates. I really hope you've enjoyed watching the video, and I hope you go off and make this recipe. When you do, come back and let us know how it goes in the comments, what toppings you put on your ice cream. It really was the perfect sweet treat on a hot day like this, and I can't believe the whole family enjoyed it. This is a house of fussy eaters, so I will take that win. But yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and make sure you're subscribed to Natural Delights YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos.